Hello and welcome from Caravan Salon Dusseldorf. I've got here a rear lounge motorhome, top of the range from Dethleffs Alpa XL i7802, 200,000 euros. This is going to cost 858 centimeters long, 235 wide, standing height 208, overall height 304. Coming in, note, flat floor until you get to the lounge. Then there's a step up to the rear lounge at the back. Up front, we've got sleeping for two, and the bed, of course, will go up when you want to drive away the vehicle. To get up to the bed, we've got steps, and beside the steps, of course, bit of storage. Well, it's quite a lot. It's a very big wardrobe there, and on the other side, I'll be careful opening it because another wardrobe. Fuse box down there. So steps would open to get into bed, and then once you don't want them there any longer, you can slide it back like that. Storage in here, television at the top. This is the shower, as you probably guessed. Heating in the shower, large central drain in there. In here we've got the toilet, so when you close this, you have in fact got a dressing room like that. Heating in the toilet, also large window so you can see what's going on. There is a fan and a roof window here, as well as a window on either side. Actually, the one on the other, you can't really see it's a window, but there's something up the back. And there's me in the mirror. Right. Now, you can, of course, use parts of the double floor for storage. We'll have a look at that from the outside. This kitchen is very attractive. Three spaced out cooking hobs. We've got in here a very large sink with a drain at the top. Bits of storage. This is for the extractor fan, and it does take up a lot, well, rather a large amount of space. I must say it takes much less space up in my vehicle, but then again, maybe this extractor fan is far better than the one I've got. And this I like. Two bins there, pull out, this comes out, drawer. See, they're close. They're very close, but they don't touch, and that's really nicely made. Note also, there's proper sides, something you don't see with the cheaper motorhomes. Makes it look a bit like home here. I suppose here this could be used for a very big screen television. Mind you, there is one at the back, and when you've got a big screen television from the kitchen, maybe that wasn't such a good idea of mine after all. So, television there, and we've got this wonderful large lounge, 270 degrees, in fact even more than 270 degrees. And windows all around, so you can look at the weather outside. Very large skylights, allowing light to flood in. And at the back we have this ledge for, you can leave your potted plants there, although you'll have to move them somewhere else as soon as you start moving. But look at the amount of storage there as well. To park a vehicle of this size is, of course, a little bit of a challenge unless you go to campsites all the time. I was staying in the summer. I was in the centre of Gdansk, and there was lots of other vehicles there. But if I had something this size, I wouldn't have been able to have parked it, and that would have been a pity. And this is one of the problems with the large vehicles, particularly if you start looking at the liners and things of this nature. Because of where they're parked, you just miss so much out. It really is. And this is vehicles like this are super attractive, super luxury, but they have this problem. Very nice new feature from Dethleffs. This is the control panel. If I turn this off here, the lights will go out. I'm glad that worked. I didn't check beforehand. We can see what the score is on the electricity, and the water, electricity, and then we can see what the time is. 4:10. Hey, it's a bit later than I thought. Really good. Why is there nobody around? Because it's only about 8:30 and the public hasn't been allowed in yet. Now you can see the double floor there. We've got heating as we come in. The problem with the rear lounge layout is that it doesn't give you much in the way of a garage. As far as garage height is concerned, you couldn't get a bike in here without folding it up. We do have the seating group there though, and so I mean, it is a lot. You can get a lot of boxes and things in there, but you're not actually really going to get much else in there. Coming around the side here, we've got another Alpa motorhome. And hey, whilst I'm here, let's just show you this one in the overcab version with the rear lounge. We'll just have a quick peek at it. And so this thing here, 141,000. It's a much shorter vehicle, 733 centimeters long and 233 wide. And this got the bed up there. It appears to be a bit higher than in the other one. Cab below, much smaller vehicle, much easier to manage something like this, in my opinion, but also very attractive though. I see a lot of more rear lounge motorhomes these days, including even in camper vans. In fact, on a VW camper van, berths do a rear lounge. So I think it's increasingly popular, particularly this layout with the bed up front that goes over the cockpit like that. This design was first done by Dethleffs. It was my friend Lothar who actually invented this system. He's an ambassador with the Heimer Duomobile, which is the same thing. Heimer and Dethleffs are same owner, so it's the same company or same group anyway, so to speak. And for two people traveling, it offers huge amounts of possibilities. And let's face it, you're either sleeping or you're driving, but you're not doing both at the same time, or at least for reasons of safety you shouldn't be. Thanks for watching. All the best from me in Germany.